Hey guys, we'll be back again to this new video tutorial with the OSP Pro. In this video today, simply I'm going to explain something little concerning using what known as webcam, how to develop up your bespoke webcam, and then how to customize them, and then you do what's needed. So I may just take you to something little that you have to know, that you have to have with you in your machine. The first thing is to download one known as if you download that, now we're going to be learning designing up a webcam, and additionally that also in that webcam we are also going to learn also on how to come up with something called image classification. Now I designed that one yesterday, so I'm going to be showing you today and then later now. Now if you check in here, we're going to use p5.min.js. Just that one there, so you can just download it. Go and click on download. Then you're also going to download one as p5.dom.min.js, and then also need to download also something called download also one known as ml5.min.js. So if you don't have those downloaded, so you'll be in position to just be straight to this video. So let me just take you straight where you're going to be in position to watch this. Okay, so there I was just trying to, this is the project that we need to deal with my students or our students in internship training at OSP Digital Solution. So there in the background is some of us. Actually we have been trying to test on how the application is going to be running up. So if you try to cross check, that's how the application is running and is detecting up or trying to test a given object. So it tends to give out the output on the screen as long as the user tends to, you know, as the user is close to the screen or to the webcam or to the video, it tends to detect and then gives out the output. Just like you can see the book then gives notebook, something like that. And then also if you try to cross check, we did also some few kind of other things there where I happen to cross check. Now there's just that lady was near to the project and is then having the cloth which she's putting on is of mosquito kind of cloth, which I'm going to show there shortly. I think you can just see her that side. So the cloth, since this cloth is kind of mosquito kind of stuff, so it tend to detect on the system that the cloth is what is they tend to detect as if it is a mosquito net. You get? So that's how we happen to come up with that simple demonstration. And if you guys will find that you're much interested, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and also come in for internship training if at all you're interested. Now this internship training is mainly for machine learning and other courses as well. So this is what I was trying to mention to you. So this lady is having her clothes containing one known as mosquito kind of fabric. So if you try to cross check, it tends to give out that output which is not kind of cool. So I think you can see from the background, this is the other side, one that's producing or giving out an output of a mosquito kind of mosquito net, because the clothes she's putting on is kind of mosquito. So guys, if you find this video much actually interested in it, make sure please you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get a chance to learn this. Then on the other way around, for all of you guys who are also interested to come on for short courses for internship training, so make sure you just come in for our internship training. Come for internship training at OSP Digital Solution, and then you get to know how to do these things. So guys, thanks for watching. Love you all. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you comment down below if you're truly interested. So like I've said, this is the first stage because you have to download a new machine, and then after downloading these things, then you can be good to go. So guys, thanks for watching. Love you all. Thank you.